outside, but destructible from the inside. Alam niyo po ba, nung sinasakop tayo ng mga Hapon, ang tunnel ay hindi nasira. Kasi hindi nakarating yung mga paglalaban dito sa mga entrances ng tunnel. The Japanese po landed on the tail part of the island May 5, 11 o'clock in the evening. On the following day, May 6, 12 noon, the island was unconditionally surrendered by General Wainwright. So the Japanese po utilized this tunnel as their office, headquarters. So now, the Americans came back. The last stand of the Japanese were here inside Malinta Tunnel, doing their warrior Bushido code. Imagine, they will group together, they will wrap their bodies with dynamite and blow. That's why you can see this lateral here was already destroyed and caved in because of the explosion inside, not because from the bombing outside. Kaya nakikita nyo, may mga black marking sa gilid. Carbon soot yan, cause ng explosion. At hindi lang yan, nung marami ng Hapon ang namatay dito sa loob ng tunnel, what would you expect as the days goes by? Siyempre, bumabaho. Ang ginawa ng Amerikano, pinadaan din sa mga air ventilations, binuhusan ng gasolina, pinasabog. Kaya nakikita nyo, madumi yung tunnel ngayon na dinadaanan natin. Kasi nga, may mga carbon soot cause ng explosion. Pero yung mga puting mineral na nakikita nyo, yan, gaya yan, lime po yan. In Filipino, apog. Yan yung mineral ng bato. At kung titingin kayo sa taas, yan, sa portion dyan, sa inyong tapat dyan, may mga portion siya na basa. Because of humidity inside the tunnel and spring water coming from top. Ngayon, dito na po tayo papasok.